Hi, my name is Nuraida binti Jamaluddin.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Iwana binti Rozaidi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasana binti Baharin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azrin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, our group will suggest a complete system specification for Nawal. In the project description, Nawal is a new student at Universiti Technologi MARA and she wants to buy a new computer for her studies. After our group have analyzed the information that given by Nawal in the project description, we have made a survey and analysis. First of all, we have go through our notes of subject IMD 222, which is technical support services and maintenance for information agencies. After that, we have made a survey on internet about the specification and component that Nawal needs. For motherboard, we are suggesting Nawal to use MSI Z490A Pro. This motherboard is one of the Pro series by MSI. It is developed to help users work faster and smarter to achieve the best result. The price of this motherboard is considered cheap because it is below 1,000 ringgit. The price is 829 ringgit. I think it is quite cheap because the maximum memory of the motherboard is 128 GB, which is very large and sufficient for Nawal because Nawal has stated that she required a large storage. And then MSI Z490A Pro is also compatible with the latest processor, which is 10th Gen Intel Core, 11th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold and Celeron processor for LGA 1200 socket. And the most important part is it also compatible and support with Windows 10 64-bit, which is the most used among students nowadays. What I think is interesting about this motherboard is it has a feature called thermal solution. Thermal solution can keep the motherboard in a low temperature. As Nawal said that she is a student, she might use the computer for a long period. It might be more than 5 hours per day, non-stop without shutting down. With this feature, it is very suitable for her because it can ensure the computer to run well and in a good condition even after being used for a long time. Because where the temperature can be kept at a low state, all the components in the computer can be function well. This motherboard also has many panel ports that can be used. And as Nawal has requested, she wants to have a computer with very good sound system. This motherboard also has a feature called audio boost. It will result a very good sound for Nawal. This is because the audio are supported by Realtek RTL 815B CG 2.5 GLAN controller. With all the specification that I have stated, I think this motherboard is very suitable for Nawal as a student because the price is quite low and I think Nawal can afford this.
Now we will talk about computer case. If we want to buy a computer, we constantly overlook this one item. Even though the computer may work without a case, but this one component serves a critical role for a computer. This case is not available for purchase and must be customized to the PC's requirements. Casing is a box-shaped structure that has house of computer hardware such as a motherboard, hard drive, DVD drives, and other devices. So in addition, computer casing are utilized to safeguard the computer's hardware elements. So the shell will protect the other computer components from dust, from grime, and other contaminants. Motherboard, hard drive, CPU, RAM, and other computer gear are extremely sensitive to dust and glow. So this case is created to protect all the components. So the goal of putting the hardware within the computer is to make more resistant to minor accident they may destroy. Okay, now we choose a Techwara computer case. Okay, so we choose the computer case that really suitable for Nawal, that is a Techwara Nova M. With tempered glass because the motherboard are already installed. Compare others model, need to know which is the pre-install that must to install. So with this computer now we will easy with it. And then this computer case is look more luxurious for Nawal and elegant. So it look nice for Nawal to use. And then there are a lot holes for cables management. So good enough for enough number of hard drive, even though it's kind of small and compact. So without using any sort of hard drive, even though it's kind, we have got that power supply slot, still can fit 2 full-size 3.5 in hard drive, which is pretty good. And if you are more expert, you can screw up the case without read the manual. But if you want to look for the manual, so it's okay because it is too easy to screw. And then the layout is standard and simple, so it's going very easy to figure out on how to boot the PC. Okay, other than that, this computer case provided 3 fans from other models, then they are free to help with airflow. Okay, lastly, Nawal are suitable for this computer case because the large space of storage is not a joke. Very big for students to use, especially in programming, and also the price are quite affordable and can use in a long time.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Azrin. Today I will explain to you the type of processor that we have choose according to the suitability of the Nawal. The processor we choose for Nawal was the AMD Ryzen 5366. This processor is very popular among gamers because it has features that are suitable for playing video game and the price is very affordable. In addition, we are confident that this option can meet the Nawal need. That is, the processor can maintain computer performance and maintain the stability of each computer component because most of the software that Nawal use need the require of high processing to use the software smoothly. Now, I will explain to you what is the specification of the processor. Now, I will show you about the specification that we have in the processor AMD Ryzen 53600. Okay, as we know, the CPU core for this processor is 6 and they have 12 threads. Okay, the maximum boost clock is up to 4.2 GHz and total L1 cache is 384 KB. As we know, L1 cache is the faster memory that available in the computer system. L2 cache is 3 MB. We know that L2 cache is to store the data is likely to be accessed, so 3 MB is enough. Next is L3 cache. L3 cache is 32 MB. That means it was the largest cache memory unit in the CPU because it served to control the incoming data from the L2. Okay, next for the package they use is AM4, and for the PCI Express version they use the PCIe 4.0 multiply 6. Then the default TDP is, as we know, is 55 watt. Okay, the OS that support this processor is Windows 10, RHEL, Ubuntu, and others. However, operating system may have varied by the manufacturer. I will explain to you what the power supply that we have choose for Nawal. For the power supply option, for Nawal we have choose the Corsair RM650S 650 watt 80 plus Golden certified full model PSU power supply. This is because the processor used by Nawal is AMD Ryzen 5360, which require only 56 watt and only a few components that have RGB. That means we want to avoid the excessive transmitted electric power. We have choose this model so that transmitted electric is more stable and do not harm the computer and the component. Now, I will show you about the specification that we have in the power supply Corsair RM650 multiply 650 watt. For the compact size is 116 mm long. That means the casing is air and easy to fit in almost all modern acoustic PC cases. Okay, the next point is full model cable. Full model cable that is that means that you only connect the cable your system need. It can make a clean and tidy build easy. Next is turn floor low noise operation. RMX power supply are turned with a low noise fan. The fan is curved. That means they want to ensure that even at a full load, fan noise is kept to the minimum. This means it will keep the fan always in the low noise condition even when doing its job at the maximum rate. Okay, the next point is 18 plus gold certified. It means the 80 plus gold certified can deliver a power with over 90% efficiency to keep energy consumption, noise, temperature, and your power bill will be low. Now, I will explain to you the system memory that we have choose for Nawal. Okay, we choose and the suggest for Nawal use 4 pieces of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro at 8 GB for the place in her PC on the memory system section. This is because Nawal use many programs that need a good requirement and frequency so that the program that she use can use in maximum rate without Nawal having a trouble using it. The feature that we found in this memory system is the type of RAM for this model is DDR4 DRAM 3200 MHz and with the dynamic multiple zone RGB light found on the edge will make the PC more attractive. Its drum kit is available for 266 MHz up to maximum level of 4600 MHz, and it provided the highest signal quality for the best level of performance and stability. The RAM for total is 32 GB, so it very software can use by Nawal will run smoothly and fast. It's rare in memory system that it has aluminum heat dispersion, which can increase the thermal conductivity for incredible memory cooling even overload.
The next hardware that we would like to recommend to Nawal is graphic card. The graphic card that we have choose is AMD Radeon RX 5700. This graphic card is a product from AMD company. As Nawal has stated that her computer must be able to support a large graphic for gaming, and this graphic card, there are many features that can lead to many advantages such as accelerated game fidelity, immersive gaming, dynamic intelligence sharpening technology, faster response, and many more. Mostly, all the features in this graphic card is for a better gaming experience, which is for the better graphic. As you can see here, this is the differences on display when the features are turned on or off. On the right side is when the features are turned off, and on the left side is when the features are turned on.
Now we will talk about hard disk. Okay. Hard disk is the component of equipment that support computers that provide space to store data or output data processing carried out by computer and humans. Okay. And then usually box shape size and contain a disk in which data is stored. Hard drive stores data even if your computer or laptop is turned off. The data on the hard drive will remain unless you delete it manually or the hard disk is exposed to virus. So, and then hard disk were first introduced by IBM in 1956, which later became the storage standard for general computer use in 1960s. To date, hard disk devices are still dominant as storage device for computer and personal servers. Okay, now I will explain the model that we choose for Nawal to use. That is Adata HD 710 hard disk. Because it is much more practical and then can be connected to a computer through a port on the computer wherever needed. Okay, number 2, this model have a large storage space or data storage which Nawal can save all reference materials for assignment, pictures, song, and whatever she want to save, and without hesitation, and does not have to delete the things that are felt to be unimportant, but give for example because of the large storage can float everything. And then they can do file transfer work quickly because this model using cable version 3.1, which is faster than the old version. So when Nawal use it, she can save some time to do other work. Okay, and then this is model that is strong and durability, because if something unexpected happens like a flood for example, there is nothing to worry because this model is durable and waterproof and has been made a demonstration on it. So now what? Do not be hesitant. Okay, and then this product is produced by companies that achieve many awards. So when the company have achieved many awards in innovations, best choice of computer awards, so makes the product maintain the reputation. So now one should not hesitate because to buy and can see the product in the website. And then this is a product with affordable price, so a student like Nawal can buy it and can use it in a long time because this product have a warranty period 3 years. So if this hard disk have any problem, so in the length of 3 years, Nawal can change to the new items or new product.
So for the DVD ROM, I suggest Nawal to choose the USB external CD RW burner. So the USB external CD RW drive is specially designed for laptops and desktop without the external CD drive. With this DVD, Nawal can listen to music and watch DVD movies. No external drive needed. This portable USB 2.0 drive support plug and play, which is powered by Nawal's computer's USB port. With portable and compact design, it is convenient for Nawal to view DVD movies, listen to CD music, watch photos or image, and copy music, video or data to a CD. With a power cord, there is no worry about power shortage when connect it to the desktop. This DVD support system for Windows. The price is only 32 ringgit.
Now, I will explain to you about the operating system that we chose for Nawal. We choose Windows 10. It's a very stable and relevant window to use for the long time because it often upgrade and to make sure the users are always satisfied. Windows 10 has many new and modern features compared to its nearest competitor, Windows 8. Such as they have virtual desktop technology, that means where it allows users to create many desktops with different theme and purpose. Next, they have multiple applications in one screen. Users can access to other applications without closing their previous application. Next, they have dynamic start menu. Combination of the start menu of Windows 7 and Windows 8, and it is very easy to use compared to the Windows 8, which have feature that is not user-friendly and not practical. Next is command application. It is very interesting because it like users can interact with their computer. Okay, and the mode and I think Nawal will like is provided an Xbox apps. This application will give Nawal a new Xbox experience with an integrated game streaming service, and Nawal also can play the game on the same account on the Xbox One and laptop, desktop or tablet that running a Windows 10. Now we go through to the utility software. We know that Nawal need a Microsoft, so we choose a Microsoft 365 Personal. For Nawal use, we have choose the latest version of Microsoft Office. This is because the version we choose for learning use, and it has all the software that Nawal needs in one package. All the software in the package is Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and all the software can be accessed anywhere on the supporting device by using the same account. But for the software such as Publisher and Access can only be accessed using the PC. Okay, what the new thing in the Microsoft is, they have templates, stock photo, icon, from, and the later feature are 3D icon. Each subscription will get premium apps, 1 TB of cloud storage, and advanced security for all users' devices. Okay, they also have a feature AI powered creative tool. That means Nawal can make their presentation in PowerPoint more creative and more interactive. Now I will share you about programming software. We choose for Nawal is Microsoft Visual Studio Community. This software suitable for Nawal is because this software is for creating computer program, website, application, web service and others. It comes with a complete IDE building application or program. Now I will share to you what is the feature of this software have. Okay, as we know, in this software, they have a feature for coding, debuggers, site designer such as window form designer, WPDF designer, web design, development, data design, and others. Feature like this will be able to help Nawal to learn the coding is faster, and this software also can detect a problem in the coding. That means they acquire more quickly to complete the coding. Now I will explain about authoring software. We choose the Adobe Premiere Pro for Nawal. It is because for Nawal who just got used to the world of the video making, this software is our main choice. Because for Nawal, this software is easy to learn and all the facility that Nawal need to make a quality and a great video on in one software. Among the key features of the Adobe Premiere Pro are color grading, scene edit detection, audio asset, or we call it Adobe Stock Audio, Adobe Premium Production. Okay, by having a great feature, it also give many great advantages to the users. Among the advantages of this software are users can record the video using camcorder or webcam that connected to the devices that use Adobe Premiere Pro. This software support various type of the video and audio format, so it make it easier for users to import various type of the video format. Okay, next is Premiere Pro make it easy for the users to create the required video titles or text in their video and a large selection of font according to the user's taste. This software is unique because not all software is able to combine special effects at the same time. This software also capable of exporting video into DVD format and video format. They are often used on the internet by YouTuber or so.
Next, input device. I suggest Nawal to choose the Click Tag mouse. This mouse provides great cursor control for browsing document or internet pages. The contour shape is suitable for either hand, and the gently curved sides give your hand the support and comfort you need for all-day use. The silent mouse is beneficial whether you are in an audio professional who needs an absolutely silent environment, or whether you are a computer user that understands the benefits of limiting distraction when you do some work. So this mouse really suitable for gaming because of the silent click. So this mouse is up to 1200 dpi and high precision. Sensor offers accurate precision control and clicking ability. 2.4 GHz transmission and up to 10 meters of wireless range give the user more freedom and no interference of movement. Unique and super slim surface with ultra smooth material designed to ensure maximum control and comfort. And it is also comfortable in either hand. So for the price, it is only Rm60.50. Next, for keyboard, I suggest Nawal to choose the Alcatra Explorer Go. This keyboard uses similar layout as laptop keyboard. Low profile, quiet, non-tactical keys. Each keys have symbol sticker on its surface rather than having laser attached to it. The feature of this keyboard, it is extremely durable, rated at up to 5 million keystrokes. It is also 78 UV coat chiclet keycaps and ultra slim and portable. For the technical specification, this keyboard can be used up to 80 hours. This keyboard also supports a PC system. Of course, I use the suitable keyboard to use on the PC system, so it's easy to Nawal to play a game and also to do some work. It supports PC systems such as Windows 2000, XP, 7, 8, and 10. It also supports tablets and smartphone also. The price is only 39 ringgit. Okay, so next for the output device, I suggest Nawal to choose the monitor LG Ultra Game. So although this monitor market for the gaming market, but this monitor is also suitable for various other types of use. So Nawal can use this monitor to do an assignment and also gaming. With FreeSync from AMD, this monitor is able to reduce screen tearing and stutter. This monitor is also equipped with the HDR10 for higher resolution than other mid-range models. Shadow brightness and highlight in the image will appear clearer. Among the other features that make this monitor on our suggestion to Nawal, it is because this is the dynamic action sync, which lowers input lag. 144 Hz refresh rate borderless design can adjust angle and height, and also because it is an IPS monitor. So the price for this monitor is only 985 ringgit. Next, I suggest Nawal to choose the Asus TF Gaming H3 featuring 71 surround sound gaming headset. So as we can see from the design alone, Asus ROG Saturation 7.1 has managed to steal the attention of gamers. Moreover, the Asus headphone are also equipped with 10 drivers 7.1 surround sound that makes the audio quality produced even more stunning. So it is really suitable for Nawal to watch movie and also to play game. And this Sony software compatible headphones also have amplifiers with audio profile and volume control. In fact, Asus also equips this headphone with a microphone. So this device strongly supports gaming activity while making video like we see on YouTube. So for the price, it is only 159 ringgit only.
Now, I will explain to you about the pricing consideration. The pricing for devices, we have motherboard and computer case. The price is 959 ringgit Malaysian. For the hardware price, we have processor, power supply, system memory, graphic card, hard disk and DVD-ROM. The total for this price is 6,793 ringgit Malaysia. And the price for the software is we have operating system, utility software, programming software and operating software. And the total for this software is 102,012 ringgit Malaysia. And the price for input and output devices, we have mouse, keyboard, monitor and headset. And the total is 1,199 ringgit Malaysian. The all total price from the computer specification that have device, hardware, software, input and output devices, the total is lower from the 10,000, and the result is the total for all the computer specification is 7,133 ringgit Malaysian.
As a conclusion, computer hardware is a physical component of a computer system. So in general, computer hardware can be divided into 5 main groups, and each of these hardware group has its own function and rules. Each of them is interdependent and complementary in each other to form a complete and perfect computer system. The suggestion that we make for Nawal is to take into account it is used as a student, as also takes account the appropriate amount to be spent as a student, and most importantly takes into account the advantage of all the right components can help Nawal to use it when continuing his studies at UiTM later.